Hello everybody and welcome back to another one of my walk around videos. So this time we have a 1992 Toyota Hilux Surf, and this one is powered by the 2.4 litre turbo diesel unit. So as usual, we'll do a walk around, we'll look at the body, we'll look at the interior, we'll look underneath her, and we'll start her up and pop the hood. So we'll start off by looking at the driver's side. And we'll keep this in some methodical order, and we'll look at the wheels as we go around also. Fantastic original wheels, completely unmarked. Tyre probably has about 50% tread remaining, I'd have thought. I don't know if you can see this, but on this driver's door there's a dent. Let's see if I can pick this out. Just about there. If I move around and let the light reflect, you might be able to see it. There we go. So it doesn't really deter from its condition too badly, but it's there, so I just wanted to point that out. Okay, moving down the driver's side. And looking at this wheel, again, perfect condition. Level of tread probably 60, maybe 70% on that tyre. Around the back. Now this spare wheel cover is starting to crack. The sun has got to it, so that could really do a replacing. I think I have a spare one actually, so that will probably get replaced. And then we come down the passenger side. It has had some paintwork previously due to sun damage, and it does look good and it's definitely very presentable. The only thing I'd point out though is that, I don't know if you can really see it, but where it's been masked up, it's okay, but it could do with some work if you're being really fussy and wanted it to look really good, you know, exceptional. So just bear that in mind. And rear passenger wheel, again, fantastic condition, no damage. Tyre, 75, no, probably more than that, maybe 80%, 80-90% tread on that one. Continuing down the passenger side. Oh, also nice to see, it retains the original Toyota weather guards. Front passenger wheel, again, no damage, perfect condition. This one slightly lower, probably maybe 40%, so this one could do with being changed in the sort of fairly near future. It's okay for now though. So we will have a look underneath from the driver's side. So it has all been thoroughly cleaned underneath, and it's been treated, and it's had 2 coats of premium underbody protection, which will coat it and protect it for many more years to come. You can see it's very nice underneath. Chassis is in fantastic shape. And we'll look around from the passenger side. Sorry, my hand's in the way there. Okay, so again, hopefully you can see that. There you go. Okay. So have a look inside the truck now, on the passenger side. Passenger seat's lovely condition, very, very clean inside, and it also, a slight bit of damage there, but it has the original Toyota mats that it would have left the factory with back in '92, and you've still got the Toyota label on there somewhere, but these are the original mats. That could just do with being glued back down or being repaired slightly if you're particularly fussy. But it's lovely condition inside, very, very clean door cards. Again, in the rear it has the original 3-piece factory mats. There you go, you can see that there. Really clean seats, there's no wear or damage or marks or tears or stains on the back seat. And looking into the cargo area, it does have a mat protector, but I don't know if you can see that just over there. It is a Toyota one, so great originality on this truck. The only thing really, there's a few tools there as well. I'm not quite sure what that is, but obviously that's a wheel brace and some bars there for something. It does have the head unit has been changed. That's an aftermarket Kenwood head unit. Oh, one thing I forgot to point out as well, which is rather nice, is it does have factory glass sunroof, and that's a full slide, electric slide roof, so the whole roof slides back. I might just show you that in a moment actually. Go back round to the driver's side and we will start her up. Find the keys. Okay. Instantly fires up, very, very first turn of the key. And let me just turn the stereo down and I will just show you the roof. There you go. Nice original factory cards up there depicting the 4-wheel drive system and which parts need to be greased. So let's pop the hood. Just while it's running, we'll go back to the back of the truck and just have a look. There is no smoke at all. If you can see the exhaust just there. It runs exceptionally well. And so it's worth noting here that it does have the winter pack. So that consists of 2 batteries, 2 12-volt batteries. They're just wired in parallel. They're not matching batteries, although they are the correct type. They're not matching brands, but they've both been tested and they are both performing exactly as they should be. So it's not really worth changing them just to have the matching, because they're both perfectly fine. The cam belt has been changed on this. That's just been done. The chassis number, VIN chassis number is just there. That's the LN130 701
5834.
So there we go. Thank you very much, and for joining me once again on another one of my walk around videos.